Every once in a while, a house comes along that the second you walk in the door, you know it's the one. The one with the perfect layout. That right combo of open concept spaces for entertaining and cozy nooks for a quiet night in. The one with soaring cathedral ceilings, oversized windows, and skylights that flood every room with sunlight. The one overlooking a conservation area with beautiful views all year long and nightly sunsets that will take your breath away. The one with bonus space in the basement, complete with a caregiver or guest suite. And a perfect location. Easy walking distance to Swan Lake amenities and nature trails. And this house is 4 Warnock Green Way. Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac with visitor parking, 4 Warnock Green Way is a 2,400 square foot above grade detached condo bungalow loft with a single car garage and a separate carport, an east-facing patio for a sunny morning coffee, and a covered entrance to welcome you in. The expansive layout unfolds before you as you walk in the front door. The main hallway ushers you into the spectacular open concept living and dining room areas. Sunlit by big windows and a skylight, these generously sized rooms feature hardwood flooring, updated pot lighting, cathedral ceilings, a gas fireplace, and a walkout to the west-facing back deck. This freshly painted Blue Heron model offers the extended sunroom kitchen, showcasing hardwood flooring, ample counter and cabinet space, pot drawers, glass display cabinets, and a spacious eating area with a skylight and a walkout to the private front patio space. The west-facing rear solarium is the perfect family room with conservation and sunset views, hardwood floors, a skylight, and second walkout to the back deck. The Blue Heron model has 2 main floor bedrooms, plus guest areas in the loft and the basement. The primary bedroom is on the main level and is large enough to fit a king-size suite. It has a walk-in closet and a full ensuite bathroom with double vanity, soaker tub, and separate shower stall. The second bedroom is located at the front of the house for privacy and also makes a fabulous den with a walkout to the front patio. It's located close to the second full main level bathroom. The Blue Heron has a fully separate main floor laundry room with laundry sink and additional storage so you can close the door and hide the mess. Moving up to the loft, this airy space can function as a family room, office, or guest area with a full bathroom and lots of windows. The basement has been beautifully finished to accommodate everyday living, but also a potential caregiver suite or fully private space for guests. The huge rec room with laminate floors is the perfect spot for your home theater, and the open concept space has separate areas for a library and exercise area. There's a separate bedroom close to a beautifully renovated bathroom with walk-in shower stall, an office space, and a kitchenette area with room for a table. With almost 1,900 square feet of additional finished space, this bright and modern basement is full of potential. The location of this home has always been special for the current owners, located directly across from the conservation area. They have loved sitting inside or outside on the oversized back deck, watching the changing of the season, wildlife, and chatting with neighbors. Summer barbecues on the back deck with a natural gas hookup always ended with a toast to the sunset view. 4 Warnock Green Way is an easy walk to the main Swan Lake Clubhouse and the nearest satellite clubhouse with outdoor pool and pickleball court.
Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stouffville Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.